Juma. Now, the Uganda Communications Commission has directed all telecom companies to verify the identity of their subscribers who hold multiple phone SIM cards. Officials from the telecom regulator say the verification exercise is aimed at ensuring the national identification numbers on the national identity cards match the ownership of the SIM cards. Now, we have had SIM cards verified before, and a number of you are wondering what's different with this particular exercise. We're joined by Mr. Ibrahim Bossa, who is the spokesperson of UCC, to give us answers to these questions. You're most welcome to NTV at 1.
Thank you very much, and a very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. Now, we'll start with what's different about this exercise, because people don't really want to be a part of this right now.
Excellent. This exercise is not for everybody. This exercise is only for individuals who are going to be contacted or who are being contacted by the operators. And these are people who have a mismatch in the information that is held with the operators. People, for example, who have multiple SIM cards registered in their names. We need you to confirm that actually those are your SIM cards, because we have fraud that has happened in that area before. We have people who have submitted names initially, but this does not compare with the national identification number that is held with you, or some people's status has actually changed altogether. So people are being called on in a cordial manner by the telecom operators to come for verification. So ideally, we are updating already existing information, and it is only a small section of subscribers who are being called on to be able to provide this kind of verification. So this is not something for everybody.
Now, for those who are actually aimed and being targeted within this exercise, if at all they did not take heed to this, what is the issue? What would happen?
We expect that any Ugandan, any citizen today appreciates the importance of a SIM card and the value the SIM card brings. First is the issue of security, but also the kind of services we are now offering on SIM cards. The Uganda Communications Act under Section 56 provides two instances when you can be denied service. One is for non-payment of bills, and the other is for a just cause. So if after repeated requests for you to come and verify, to update your SIM card registration, especially we also have people who have who sent in national identification numbers, that is before April 2018, but never updated this through biometrics. Those people are now also required to come and update with the biometrics. Failure to do that would definitely incur the issues of the law, whereby the Section 56 could warrant that services could be denied to you for a just cause.
Okay, as we wrap this up, why this exercise? Why? Why?
Excellent. It is important that as Ugandans we appreciate that we have come very far, especially in the integrity and security of communication platforms. The security of communication platforms is dependent on the kind of information we keep, its completeness, its accurateness, especially in terms of security purposes. The issues today you see as mobile money, things like credit facilities on or over mobile platforms, issues like insurance. People are going to begin buying stocks using mobile money platforms. You need to know who you are dealing with, and that is the integrity we're looking for. So for personal security, but also for value-added services to thrive in this country, the details that are held about our SIM cards need to be updated, need to be accurate and traceable. Okay, well, there you have it. If you know you have received a message or perhaps a call has come through, you definitely need to make your way to the telecom company that has called you. We have been joined by the spokesperson of UCC, Mr. Ibrahim Bossa. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. We're now going to take a short break, but NTV at 1 does return shortly. Do stay with us.